Hello students, here is the question. The equivalent resistance of a series combination of two resistors is R. Then when they are connected in parallel, the equivalent resistance becomes P. And if S is N times P, then the maximum value of N is. So we need to find the maximum value of N. We know that the series and the parallel formulas for the two resistors in that combinations will be R1 plus R2 for the series one and R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2 for the parallel one, correct? And if we put in the formulas in the relation given to us, we have this relation over here, and once we move the term on the right hand side to the left hand side, we have this relation over here, that is R1 square plus 2 minus n into R1 by R1 R2 plus R2 square. This is R2 square over here, and this over here is a quadratic equation over here. As you can see, considering this quadratic equation for real roots, this has to satisfy because we need to find the maximum value of n. So this has to satisfy if it has to be a quadratic equation, correct? So you are putting in those values, we get 2 minus n into 2, R2 square is 4 R2 square, and once we cancel out R2 square and take the 2 on the right hand side, we get 2 minus n is plus or minus 2. And if we take the n to the right hand side and plus or minus 2 to the left hand side, the maximum value of n can be plus 4. So answer is plus 4. Thank you.